Welcome to the Yeastar Cloud PBX Quick Start Guide, presented by Voxtelesys. Today we'll be demonstrating how to set up extensions on the Yeastar Cloud PBX. Extensions are designated numbers assigned to the endpoints connected to your PBX. We'll start by clicking on the Settings icon. Click the Extensions button. Click the Add button. You can enter any unique 3 to 7 digit number as the extension. For this example, we will keep the extension 1000. Caller ID name is the string that appears on the caller ID on outbound calls from this extension. This string could be the user's department or the name of the business. This extension will be assigned to John, so we'll input his first and last name. Enter the email address associated with this extension into the email field. Enter a password of your choosing into the user password field. John will use this email address and password to access his user control panel. We will discuss the user control panel in an upcoming video. Click the Features tab. If you want voicemail enabled on this extension, make sure that Enable Voicemail is checked. If you want a copy of the voicemail sent to the associated email address, check Send Voicemail to Email. The voicemail access PIN is the PIN code required to access this extension's voicemail. Click the Call Permissions tab. If you want this extension to be able to make calls to phone numbers outside of the PBX system, make sure that at least one outbound route is in the selected column. If you wish to disable all calling to outside phone numbers, check Outbound Restriction. Click Save when finished. Click the Apply button to apply all configuration changes to your Yeastar Cloud PBX. You've successfully set up an extension on your Yeastar Cloud PBX. In upcoming videos, we'll be applying these extensions to Yealink phones and Linka soft phones. If you have any further questions, please check out support.voxtelesys.com.